All right, content creators, let's talk facts. Video isn't the future, it's the now. It's what grabs attention, stops the scroll, and makes people stay glued to their screens. But creating video content? That's where most people get stuck. Between scripting, editing, captions, and actually showing up on camera, it can feel like a full-time job. But guess what? AI just changed the game. You can now create, edit, and even repurpose videos without spending hours on it. So today, I'm sharing how AI can help you create high-quality, engaging video content fast, whether it's Instagram Reels, TikToks, YouTube Shorts, or animated storytelling. Because let's be real, your brand needs video, and AI is about to make it effortless. Let's go! AI for video scripting? Plan your content in minutes. The number one reason people struggle with video? They don't know what to say. They sit down, press record, and bam, brain freeze. That's where AI comes in. It can instantly generate hooks, storytelling frameworks, and entire scripts, so you can focus on delivering, not overthinking. What AI can do for your video scripts? Generate vital hooks and first-line attention grabbers. Structure your videos with engaging storytelling. Optimize for attention, pacing, and strong call to actions. Try this AI prompt in ChatGPT. Write a 30-second TikTok script with an engaging hook, clear storytelling, and a strong call to action for a fashion brand using AI-generated art. Pro tip? The first 3 seconds make or break your video. Use AI to craft a killer opening line. AI-powered video editing and creation? Automate the process. Editing is where creators burn out the fastest, but AI is about to make it effortless. No more endless trimming. No more wondering which quotes to use. AI can cut, edit, add captions, and even enhance visuals automatically. How AI automates video editing and creation. AI cuts and edits your videos in seconds, Runway and Owl, and Pika labs. Auto-generates captions for better engagement, Descript, and AutoCap. Creates talking avatar videos and animations, HeyGen, DD, and Synthesia. Pro tip? Use AI-generated captions. Videos with subtitles get 80% more engagement. AI for social media video content? Repurpose and scale. Here's the thing, creating one video is good, but repurposing one video into 10 pieces of content? That's genius. And AI makes it stupid easy. How AI turns one video into multiple pieces of content. Repurpose YouTube videos into Instagram Reels and TikToks. Turn blog posts into animated explainer videos. Extract key sound bites from podcasts for short-form content. Best AI tools for repurposing content? Pictory AI and Descript AI convert long videos into short clips. Later and Metricool AI, AI-powered scheduling for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. ChatGPT and Jasper AI, AI-generated video descriptions and captions. Pro tip? Use AI to create multiple versions of one video for different platforms, maximize reach with less effort. Advanced AI video techniques? Take it to the next level. All right, you've got the basics. Now let's level up. AI isn't just about saving time, it's about pushing creative boundaries and making videos that feel next-level cinematic. How AI can elevate your video content. AI-generated VFX and motion graphics, Runway ML, and Pika labs. Create AI-generated avatars and digital clones, Synthesia, HeyGen, and DAD. Generate AI-powered animated storytelling visuals, Jasper AI. Take a simple idea and turn it into a cinematic AI-powered video in minutes. Pro tip? AI isn't just about automation. It's about unlocking creativity you never thought possible. Step 1. Use AI to generate a script for a video, Instagram Reel, TikTok, or YouTube Short. Step 2. Create your AI-powered video using tools like HeyGen, Runway ML, or Pika labs. Step 3. Add AI-generated captions and effects for better engagement. Step 4. Post it and tag me on Instagram at AngelinaMilaki. I want to see your AI-powered video glow up. And just like that, you now have the power to create high-quality, engaging video content with AI. No more studying hours editing, no more struggling with scripting, just AI-powered efficiency, creativity, and impact. Next up, we're diving into AI-powered monetization strategies because creating is fun, but turning your content into cash, even better. See you there.